I got it now, I got it. Oh yeah! Woohoo! This is not as buoyant as you let on. How good is the dryer around here? I'm here to meet Kenzie. She's a young professional. She wants to buy her first home. I'm gonna show her how to do it. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm looking for Kenzie.
She's here.
I just met your roommates.
You did you?
We'll have her back before dinner.
5. Yeah.
5 o'clock is the curfew?
Yeah.
Wow. All right, we'll be back. So you've grown up here, you've spent your whole life here, you went to school here.
Yeah.
And now you want to move downtown.
Yes. I mean, my parents absolutely love living in this town, and it's been great, but I'm in that next phase of my life.
What are your must-haves? What's your wish list?
A 1-bedroom with a balcony, and of course, dishwasher and a washing machine would be ideal.
Here's what I would say. Number 1 is understanding what you can afford, getting pre-approved before you start putting in any offers. That's a deal breaker. Secondly, I think you should look at established condos, not pre-construction necessarily, but also not something that's old and needs a renovation. Third thing, even if you don't bring your car, you need to get a place that has a parking space. Maybe when you're 30, you're gonna wanna sell it. It will always sell for more and faster with a parking space. And between now and the time you sell it, you can always rent that parking space in order to get some extra cash flow. So we're going into this building right here. This could be your new home. All right. You know, in terms of the budget that you have, this is what you're looking at, the top end of your budget. 600 square feet.
Yeah.
And horns honking outside all the time.
I love how it's near restaurants and there's lots of patios and it really seems like there's a life. I'd love to have a dog, so that would be awesome to have a park near me.
Okay, we gonna have a dog first or a husband first?
Dog.
The good news is in condos, you don't have a ton of expenses. Most repair and maintenance is covered in your condo fees. So as long as you can afford the mortgage, your taxes, your condo fees, your utilities.
Shoes.
Your shoes. You wanna go back home right now, don't you?
Running back. Lots of storage space.
Lots of, you know what, for a condo that is a lot of storage space.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
If I look through the crack, then yes, I certainly
Excuse me? Can I have some privacy, please? This one's off its track already.
Yeah.
Got it. All right. That's better, no?
And a quick fix, so there we are.
You also thought about renting as well.
Yeah, yeah.
I forbid you. The sooner you get in and the longer you can hold on to a piece of real estate, the better off you're going to be. Well, you know what they say about people who still live at home with their parents when they're 25.
What?
You'll find out in a few months. Is this enough for you? 6 feet by 10 feet.
It's enough space for chairs and a glass of wine.
I don't know if you can get a glass of wine out here. It'd be a pretty small glass of wine. No, you can get some glass of wine out here for sure. Let's hit the road. Okay, wait a second. Before I bite into this, what do we got?
Well, it's Kenzie's recipe.
This is your recipe?
Yes.
But your mom made it for you?
It's buffalo chicken stuffed red peppers with Gouda and ranch.
So on a $350,000 purchase, ideally, she'd put $70,000 down because that would be your 20%. Help her get to the 20% down payment threshold because then you won't put money into mortgage insurance. So there'll be a savings of thousands of dollars right there.
We'll always help her. I want her to be comfortable enough that she can still enjoy her life and not be hugely overwhelmed by debt.
My suggestion for her is to get a CIBC mobile mortgage advisor in the city where she wants to be. It's convenient. They can come and meet her for lunch while she's at work, and she can pick up the conversation and also take the responsibility. All signs point to Kenzie should be buying a place. It's fantastic that you guys are willing to support her, and you know the tools you need to make it happen.
Definitely.
and I'm taking those peppers home.
As long as you bring the Tupperware back.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Seriously, the service, the amenities. I don't know if I'd leave home either if I lived here.